Hello, welcome. Let's see question 13, a simple one. It took a cyclist 2.5 hours to cover a certain distance at a speed of 12 kilometers per hour. How long will it take a car moving at a speed of 12 kilometers per hour to cover the same distance? Now, this can be solved in two ways. It can be taken as a rate question. It can also be taken as direct proportion or indirect proportion, but I will be taken as rate. Now, since we are talking about the same distance, let's see if I look at the distance here. This is the distance we are looking for. Then the time taken to do that is 2.5 hours. The speed for the journey is 12 kilometers per hour. So I can as well find the distance that is being covered, since the second speed is also on the distance here. We know by definition, speed is distance over time taken, right? Good. So let me use S here, I use D, and use T. So I can easily see that S equals to D on T. Since I am looking for D, you cross multiply, D equals to X times what? T. Meaning the speed, 12 times what? The time. So D will now become speed, 12 kilometers per hour times 2.5 hours. So the hours will cancel. And this is also 12 times 5 over 2, right? And this will go here, 6. So we are going to have 30 kilometers. So if the distance they are covering is 30 kilometers, then we can also find the time if the speed is known. So we know distance is 30 kilometers, speed is 72 kilometers per hour. So now we are looking for time. Right from here, if I'm looking for time, I divide by what? Speed. So this will mean that time equals to the distance over speed. And what is the distance? 30 kilometers divided by 72 kilometers per hour. So therefore, the kilometers will cancel, the hour will go up. So in that cancellation, I can see that 6 can go here 5, 6 can go here 12. So I should be having 5 on 12 hours. Now, this is the answer. If we like, we can convert into decimal to know the time in decimal, hours in decimal. But the possible answers are left in minutes. So we are going to convert this hour into minutes. So we know that if 1 hour, let me just say 1 hour equals to 60 minutes. Let me pick from here. Then we are seeing that this is going to be less than 1. So if less, more divide, right? If less, more divide. So this divided by 1 will still be the same value. Then we multiply by 60. So 5 on 12 times 60 minutes. This go here 1, go here 5. 5 times 5 will be 25 minutes. And I think that will be the option D on the question paper. So we can also solve it as proportion, as a direct proportion or indirect proportion. You start with the speed, you take the time. You start with the speed, you take the time. You create a ratio of it. Then you cross multiply, you come back to the same answer. Like, share, comment, and subscribe.